Hey everyone, if you don't know this by now, my name is Sarah, founder of Pollyanna Events, where inspiration, DIY, and event design collide. Today we're going to be talking about having a green wedding, and I don't mean the color green, I mean being environmentally conscious while planning your wedding. Now, you're probably thinking, this is so much information, how is she going to go over all of this? And you are correct, it is a lot of information. So we're going to hit on a few main topics, and then we'll touch on everything else in a blog post later. So you have to head over to the blog to get the full scoop. All right, so let's get started. First, I want to talk venues. When choosing a venue, look for a space where you can do everything. And what I mean by that is you can get ready, you can take all of your photos on site, you can have your ceremony, your cocktail hour, your reception, and even be able to walk to and from your hotel at the end of the evening. Your guests will love you for this. It'll be super convenient for them. Second, I want to suggest creating a wedding website instead of sending out invitations. This will allow you to put as much information as you want on your wedding website without having a physical limit on a card. And it will also allow your guests to be able to RSVP on your website rather than mailing in a physical RSVP card. This will clearly save money on trees and paper. Is that messing it up? Probably. And lastly, flowers. If you're thinking about having flowers at your wedding, think about choosing in-season flowers and placing them in compostable and reusable vases. And if you're a plant collector, think about using your plants at your wedding. I feel like this is something that a lot of people probably wouldn't think of, but this is definitely a good option. Following your wedding, think about donating your flowers, maybe to a nursing home or maybe to a church. And if you're not able to donate them, you can compost them, so at least you aren't just throwing them away. Now, using in-season flowers will cut back on your carbon footprint, and using compostable, reusable vases and donating your flowers will cut back on waste. For more detailed information on this topic, you can head to our blog, and I will put the link in the info box below. We hope to see you guys again soon. Bye.